G'day guys. Obviously we get asked a lot, what's the difference between KCK Lubricants and everybody else? And it's a great question. So what we're going to do is we're going to break it up into a few small videos and we'll try to explain the fundamentals of what sets us apart. Oil products are made up from a wide variety of additives. Today we're going to talk about the base stocks. We've made massive improvements over the competition with our base stocks. This helps oxidization stability to stop your race fuels eating your engine parts, thermal stability so you maintain good oil pressure at high temperatures, shear stability to keep your valve gear alive. How we've done this is premium virgin base stocks. A lot of the other guys are using recycled base stocks, recycled products in their oil, which is fine for OEM, it meets OEM standards, but as soon as you increase your performance level, you're no longer in that OEM range. You need a better oil than OEM. Virgin products only. A lot of the other guys, they won't advertise it, it's not on the bottle, but it is recycled based products. There is recycled products in their oil, which is fine for OEM, but as soon as you're outside of OEM, no longer good enough. Stay up to date with what's going on. Click the subscribe button. If you liked the video or if it was helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your buddies. Any suggestions on future content, leave a comment below. We will be checking it. Thanks for watching.